Okay, solve the equation. Solve the quadratic equation. This quadratic because the highest exponent is 2. The highest exponent is 2, so it's quadratic. All right, so we are only told to solve our quadratic formula. So we cannot use any other formula. And we cannot use our calculator. Okay, we are also told to find the discriminant first. Okay, so let's start from discriminant. The discriminant is the radicand inside the quadratic equation. So if I have x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. First of all, the coefficient of the quadratic term is a. So a is 1. A is equal to 1. The coefficient of the linear term b is 6. The constant term is -5 in this particular equation. Okay, and I'm told to find the discriminant. The discriminant is the radicand, the quantity inside the radical sign. That's the discriminant. And if the discriminant, let's call it D, if the discriminant is greater than 0, then I have two real solutions. If the discriminant is less than 0, if D is less than 0, then we do have an imaginary solution. So if our D is less than 0, we have an imaginary solution. If D is equal to 0, we have one real solution. Okay, so we are going to find the discriminant first. The quantity that is called discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is plug in the values inside the discriminant. B is 6, so 6 squared minus 4 multiply A is 1 and C is -5. So this quantity, I have to evaluate this quantity. 6 squared is 36. -4 multiply -5 is +20. So the sum of the discriminant is actually positive. And it's going to be positive. So 36 plus 20 is 56. So the discriminant is positive. It is 56. So now I can find x. X is equal to -6 plus or minus 56. Square root of 56. All right. How about 2a? 2 times 1? All right. So what we do, if you don't know the factors, you can just do a factor 3. So what goes here? I know that 2 can go into 56. So I have 28. 2 can go into 28. And I have 14. Okay, and that's almost all I need because I just need the factors. 2 can go into 14. I have 2 and 7. So I have the factors. So I can now say that x is equal to minus b plus or minus. The factors inside the is 2 to power 2. I am going to just put 2 to power 2. Then this is 7. And then I'm going to leave 14 in there. And this is my minus 6. This is 6. All over 2 times 1, which is 2. So I'm told to find the discriminant. I did, and I found the value of the discriminant. It is positive. All right, so I'm going to finalize. The essence of raising this to power 2 is so I can factor the quadratic terms, anything that's factorable outside the radical sign. So I have to say x is equal to minus 6 plus or minus 2 root 14. I'm told to leave my answer in exact form, not allowed to use calculator, all over 2. So I can now divide through, so I have 2 answers. So the 2 answers, if I divide by 2, I have x is equal to minus 3 plus square root of 14. And the other answer is minus 3 minus square root of 14. So remember, I should have 2 answers because it is quadratic. It's a polynomial with the highest exponent of 2. So it's quadratic. So these are my answers in exact form. I'm told to leave my answer in exact form. Exact form means I shouldn't have decimals. Okay, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.